Hi, it's Miss Robin. We're going to do two-digit addition math problems on our EZeeCount 100 bead abacus. And we're also going to do them on our standard 100 bead abacus. Okay? So I should show the name of that's where I got it. I don't know if you can read that. Okay, so this is for my students. I teach students right now I have grades 3 through 5 with visual impairments, but we are going to see how we can make this as equitable as possible. I'm getting my math problems from math-drills.com. I'm using two-digit addition linear, so horizontal math problems, and if you go to this, they also have another sheet right next to it that shows the answers. So if you're doing a Zoom meeting or you're at home teaching kiddos, you can use that as an easy way to do this. Okay, so the first problem is going to be 66 plus 31. So 66 plus 31. The first thing you're going to do is set that first number. We're doing addition, so set that first number, that first add-in, okay? So 66. I'm going to walk everyone through the very first problem. Okay, so we start highest place value to smallest. How many tens are in the number 66? So there are 6 tens. So what I'm going to do is set 6 tens on my board. My place value, this is using place value, so the top row is ones, then tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, and then everybody at home rhymes with millions. My kiddos, billions. Yes, thank you. Okay, so as usual, before I set that 60, on the right side, there are no beads touching this right side for this particular type of abacus, including, oh no, it's a mess. Okay, so including the standard abacus, that says the number 0. We love 0. I'm very happy that we get to have 0 in our math. We'll have to do another. I know there's a mathematician who, yeah, we're not going to get into that. Don't get distracted, Miss Robin. Okay, so we are going to set 66. 66 is 6 tens. Okay, if you know your partners of 10, you can just slide over 6 like that. Keep 4, slide over 6. Otherwise, hey, no worries. Just count out 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure those 6 tens are touching the right side. And now how many ones in the number 66? 6 ones. Go to our ones row, and we slide over. 6 ones. Okay, and I said plus 31. So let's add 31. Let's start with our tens again. Always start with the highest place value in the number you're working with. So 31 has 3 tens. I add 3 tens. And I add 1, 1. And then I want to know your answer. So for my kiddos, you're going to read what is touching the right side of your board. It doesn't matter what's on the left side. That belongs to the bank. It's not ours. So you count from highest place value to smallest place value, just like setting and clearing. So what's your answer? Let's count. Count your tens, count your ones. Okay? Now this number, we didn't break into the next place value. We didn't break into our hundreds, but always make sure, because you could get so distracted in math and then not check your other place values, and suddenly your number does not make sense and you don't have the right number. Okay, so feel it, take a look at it, read it, and what's your answer? And if you don't know, press the space bar or tap the screen, depending on the device you're using. Find the answer. It should be 97. Okay, now let's do this on this abacus real quick for people who are using the standard 100 bead abacus. Everybody, okay, so what I'm doing is, this is a stand-up for abacus, and I go to, same thing though, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, Okay, so let's go to our tens. Let's get 6 tens and 6 ones. Okay, plus 31, plus 3 tens, 1, 1, and my answer is, now I have a student who goes and feels this feels the right side, the left side, for the purpose of partners of 10. If she only has 1 10, she knows she's got 90 here. Oops. La, 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 la. This is why I don't work with slip and slide. I like the adapted abacus. Okay, and then if she has 3 up here, she knows she has 7. So she counts it. That she does that way, and that way she does count. Okay, so that is 66 plus 31. Let's go to the next one. 45 plus 34. So 45 plus 34. So 45. So 4 tens plus 5 ones, okay, plus 34. 3 tens and 4 ones. I'm sliding them over in chunks. Kiddos, slide them over one at a time until you are super, 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 super awesome at it. No, but still, slide them one at a time. I'm not doing a very good job of showing what you should be doing. Okay, so now what is your answer? Now, to read your answer, you check what it says on the right side of the board. Whatever is touching that side is yours. Start from the biggest place value to the smallest. Okay, so go. Okay, pause me. Okay, so your answer should be 79. Okay, so that's how we do it. I'm going to pause you. We're going to do another video, but let's take, well, we're not going to do another video just yet. There's a beeper in the background, so I'm eager to turn that off. 49 plus 40. So 49 plus 40. Now pause me, and then let's have you do that. So 49 plus 40, and your answer should be 89. Okay. Let's go to the next one. 29 plus 70. Okay, 29 plus 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens. So your answer should be 99. See, I put my fingers on that bead over here, on these two beads that are on the left side that belong to the bank. It's just my own habit as a comfort. Like, yes, 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 I have 99. Okay. Okay, so notice we have all the beads available for these problems. If we have all the beads available, it's just a matter of setting numbers on the abacus, going biggest place value to smallest. For this round, we're not going to regroup. But when you add and you've run out of beads and you need to give the bank a smaller, a whole row of 10 ones so that you can get a 10-10. Okay, so when we add, we regroup. Okay, so I'm going to stop here because that beeping's driving me crazy. Okay, and I'll return with problems that we don't have enough beads for. Okay, so when we regroup.